Where to Fish explores land-based fishing locations that are easy to access and fish. The aim is to produce information that will encourage people to participate in fishing and other outdoor activities. This may increase group involvement, communication and well-being. Lethbridge is 32 kilometres from Geelong along the Midland Highway. The lake is at the end of Reservoir Street. From Russell Street, turn right onto Brunel Street and then right again onto Reservoir Street. The general store, post office and railway station portray some of the history from the town that once boasted a population of around 1,200 people in 1861. Only a few remains of weatherboard homes and bluestone structures exist now and are heritage listed. The lake has toilets, 2 large barbecue areas and picnic tables spread out around the edge of the lake. The lake is open with a small jetty and a boardwalk, making it easy for children to fish. It also attracts people new to fly fishing that want to practice casting with the chance of catching a fish. As part of the family fishing lakes, it is stocked in July and September with trout for the school holidays. The lake also sustains a small population of redfin which are caught by the locals. Things to do: relaxing around the parks with barbecues, nature walks, bird watching, local art, some local history, or just fishing around the lake during the cooler months. For more information, see the website wheretofish.com.au. Until the next video, get hooked, discover, enjoy and preserve.